there they are. God, the rhinos are fighting. Every morning is misty and cold and a little bit rainy. It's like this every morning. And then later it becomes sunny and nice. But the problem is we have to get up early to do a tour. And it was so hard to get up because I just wanted to lay in bed, especially when it's cold.
Sunlight, because yesterday it was not sun until 11. Can you believe? Wow.
Oh, we're lucky.
Yeah.
I have a hope that we're gonna see some rare species of animal today, because I already feel that.
Oh, right.
Slippery.
Yeah.
बागमारातिर छ त्यो रोनाल्डो
Ooh.
This is the boundary line. Jungle, other side, this side is village.
Jungle.
And this river called Budirapati.
Buriabate.
It has many crocodiles, including marsh mugger and gharial. You know those two types, yeah? Crocodile here, one has get long mouth, long pointed mouth. We call it gharial.
Claudia.
And we have get broady snout, like short snouted one. We call it marsh mugger. And the marsh mugger are the dangerous one. They can eat anything, including human being.
Oh.
But the next one called gharial, they eat only fish.
Oh, I see.
They can be very dangerous. They try to charge human.
Oh, crap.
They try to charge human now. Especially like rhinos nowadays, they have a mating season.
Uh-oh. Mating season.
Mating
That means their male hormone is high.
Yeah.
So they're dangerous.
And now specific time is mating, so they are more aggressive this time of the year. So we have to understand not to go close, not to go straight, you know. If the rhino come to follow us, we have to run zigzag. Not straight, because
Zigzag.
straight they can run very fast. Very fast they can run.
Oh, they
like-
can't turn well.
They cannot turn very well.
They have this thing.
Because it has a heavy body
Yeah.
and the shoulder is very heavy. That's why we need to zigzag running.
Interesting.
You know, sometimes we have to climb the tree to see the situations.
Mm.
If there is 2-3 rhino around us and we are in the middle, in that time running is not really work out. We have to climb the tree. We can take photos. We don't go close. From far away we can look him. But if there is a rhino that encountered us, for example, he's coming this way and we are going this way. This is the encounter space. Encounter phase. That's the most critical time for us. In that case, rhinos cannot see very well, but they have a very sniffing power. They can smell human around 100 meter around. In that case, if we get, we have to give him away. If he start to drag his leg, that means we have to understand he getting aggressive. He will shake his ear also. Tak, 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 tak. So we have to understand if he is aggressive, becoming more violent, he might come to charge us. So in that case, we have to go to run zigzag.
Okay.
And for the elephant, because wild elephant, we have many wild elephant here like Ronaldo, Durba, Govinda, Makuna. These 4 elephants becoming very aggressive and they come into the town, especially they come in this jungle because here we have a baby elephant and female elephant. That is the bull elephant and here is female elephant. So he come to make courtship for the mating courtship.
I saw him.
Ronaldo,
Yeah.
with the tusk.
Yeah, I saw
So
him.
that is the most scariest and dangerous animal in this park among all the wildlife. In
Elephants? They're the
elephants, yeah, most dangerous.
more than rhino?
Yeah, more than rhinos.
Wow.
Because the elephant, while they move, they don't make noise. so we cannot hear.
Really?
Yeah,
But they're so big.
they are big,
I
but
thought
they
it'd be
are
like
I
bam,
see.
boom.
they are very ego animal. I mean, if they want to
Interesting.
charge human, they charge anyway. They will hide and they wait
Oh my
behind the
god.
bushes.
They're smart, right?
Very smart animal, so we have to be very careful with the elephant.
Mm.
And if he
So-
come, I mean, if in case that moment happened that he tried to follow us, we
Mm.
have to run also zigzag, not only zigzag. We have to go behind the big bushes, like thick trees, where it has many trees, where we can go inside. Elephant cannot go inside, they get stuck on the big bushes, big branches. Not like this, like a
Ah.
thick jungle,
Oh yeah, thick.
like this one.
Right
If
there.
we go
yeah.
inside,
The
if
vines.
we go,
Yeah.
with the vines
I
and so
see
many
it.
things, bushes, if we go, we can go. But elephant, they maybe get stuck or get trapped by the vines.
I see.
And next one,
Mm.
if we are next to the swamp place, it's better to run.
Crocodile.
There is maybe not crocodile, maybe crocodile also, but we have to skip from elephant. That's the best way we can run into the swamp. But elephant, they get stuck again in the swamp
Oh.
because they have a heavy body. And the next, we always be together, always be together, and always you guys follow us wherever we go. We tell you this to do, this to do, and always we try to go to the riverside. It's more safe place from elephant
Okay, I see.
because there
Mm.
is a cliff, the slighted cliff.
Oh,
We can
okay.
jump in the bank, but elephant cannot jump. Even the rhino cannot jump.
Oh,
They
I
need
see.
a specific highway to go down, even
Oh,
1
nice.
meter down. And for other animal, like for tiger, we have a lot of tiger. Royal Bengal tiger here, 128 Bengal tiger. If we see the tiger, we need to be calm down, not to make any movement, not to scare, not to take photos. Just keep quiet as a tree.
Tiger.
Keep quiet as a tree. And I will like eye contact. I will be in front. If we tiger try to scratch, to make aggressive, so we're gonna hit by the sticks.
Okay.
Normally, tiger would not be that aggressive because he's a shy animal. You know, he becomes shy when he see the human,
Oh,
like
shy.
a cat.
Ah, shy. I see,
Shy.
I see.
He's a cat. He is
He's
a cat.
Yeah. Only the different moment. I mean, if they have cubs,
Oh,
that is dangerous.
mama.
Ah,
That is dangerous.
Yeah.
And if he's in a hunting process, that is the dangerous moment. Otherwise, most of the tigers, we sighted them as walking, and we are walking behind him.
Mm.
Just need to be keep quiet to handle the situations, to not to let him feel that we are a food or we are any enemy for them.
Yeah, we're yucky.
You know, we need to make balance between tiger and human, make friendship.
Rhino poop.
Yeah, all of them. They, so big.
What do they eat?
They
Grass?
eat grasses. They are vegetarian.
Wow, no meat,
No meat.
but so big.
This is from one time. This is from 2, 3, 4, 5. Many lake. Not only this, but it has a problem by the nature challenging this plant. Water
Ah.
lily, water hyacinth, and water cabbage. There is 3 different plant who try to cover the lake, to dry the lake.
oh,
They get the oxygen out of the water, and the water becoming dry.
Oh.
So many pond in the park has been dried already by this type of problem. And when the such a plant cover full of the lake, the rhinos, they don't like to come
oh.
I see.
because he prefer nice spot to take swimming, like swimming pool, because half of the rhino's life they spend in the water next to the pond mud, and he used to go to take swim for a long time, like for 5 hours. He napping on the small pond, and he cover his back from the mud. Sunscreen.
So how did these plants get here?
This plant is migrated from Latin America a long time ago,
Oh,
That's
and is
America.
rapidly
so people
spreading.
bring it?
Yeah, I believe so. Somehow
Ah.
it came from there
Latin America.
and is spreading. But
so that's a problem.
it's a problem. But it's an ecosystem. I mean, it's a natural
It's invasive.
invention plant, kind of. But for animal, it's big problem because when they want to drink, they don't see the water. They only see the plant, you know. the tiger footprint.
Oh, it's a tiger foot.
Yeah. It's a female one. 1, 2, 3, 4. They have four toes, and it can be.
How do you know it's female?
Because it has a brody nail.
Oh,
Male has got a little bit lengthy nail.
those are the links.
Yeah, it's a little bit brody and a little bit wider, you know.
Oh, cool.
So she could be this height and the dimensions, and she could be like this big. And she's juvenile, not adult.
I
Juvenile,
see.
who is learning the process of hunting and trying to separate from the mom, you know. When the
Oh.
cubs grown up, start their hunting on.
So she practiced hunting on us?
Yeah, no, hunting on. Try to hunting her own,
Yeah, yeah.
and she's tried to separate from the mom. Already that one, you try to kill next one.
That's why it's curly.
Yeah.
So it can get more than one. Wow. Freaking parasite right there. Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
They are so beautiful when they're blooming all the way down, like half meter, like this. This
And they're
long.
on the tree.
And you can see on every tree. Most of the tree has it.
I see it, yeah. Thank
That
you,
is
birds.
fungus and different fungus.
Yeah.
In wetland birds. Like this one is jacana. Jacana. Plastic.
Oh, I see. Hairy tiger poop.
So it's like a few days ago. Maybe last. You can see. More old.
We rest here and good picnic here.
Really? We're gonna feed the tiger?
They cannot digest all the hairs, you know.
Yeah.
It's like plastic.
And the flies love it.
Yeah.
You can tell it's monkey.
On the road, you see?
Yeah, I see.
Monkey.
So noisy. It's so noisy. Yeah, so many.
This monkey called rhesus maca. Maca, yeah, we have two type of monkey here.
Mocha.
Langur and macaca.
Mocha.
Macaca.
Macaca. Oh shit. Shit. So many crocodiles. Bugs are so bad.
Not eatable mushrooms.
Don't eat it.
Yeah. You put in your hair.
And I hope it works.
Yeah, they will. Yeah.
Oh, this is super great idea.
Oh, it smells good. Monkeys everywhere.
I don't have energy to carry that. And keep bottles.
Ah. Beauty. Rhino. good. What's the name of this?
This is Mauritania.
Mauritania.
Berry, jungle berry.
Jungle berry.
Lot of them.
Mm.
And the bear, they like to eat this.
I like it.
Lot bear.
Oh, I think we've eaten achar version.
The red one is the ripe one.
Orange, okay?
Red one is the ripe, yeah, like that one.
Mm.
Spike, be careful.
Oh yeah.
So many spike, look.
Oh yeah.
Like a
Good.
thorn.
Oh, there's so many. That one feels squishy.
Let's go.
So many jungle berries. So yummy.
Chitwan, Artemisia vulgare, antiseptic plant.
Mm.
If you have a
Medicine.
lychee, you rub
chai.
it, yeah.
よもぎに似てる。
Oh yeah.
Side. Very nice.
Yeah.
Herbal plant.
Yes, yes.
So many medicine we can make from this.
Yeah, I think we have this one in Japan too.
Yeah,
It's
I-
similar, but not exactly the
It
same.
smells different.
There's more. This one.
Like jungle ice ball.
Wow.
Wow.
You can eat them.
Eyeballs.
Awesome. Wow.
Interesting.
We can make lassi from it.
Really? Lassi?
Yeah, milkshake.
What's the name?
Dai kamala.
Like Conora.
Jungle ice.
Jungle ice. Daikon. Mm. Or we can just live here. Huh?
This one.
Oh, tiger scratched it.
Fresh mark.
This one.
Into the riverside again.
Oh, nice.
Come, come.
Oh, the rhino.
No way. So lucky they do everywhere to rhino. It's coming to us. Oh shit, don't climb the tree. Wait, no, wait.
We have to climb the tree. Come on.
Easy done. Aula bayari, aula.
really scary. We're on a tree because I didn't catch it on camera, but the rhinos are having a fight.
Oh, look.
Oh, there they are. Holy shit.
Around 1 o'clock.
I saw it.
1 o'clock. 1 o'clock.
Oh shit. Oh, I see it. Oh my god, the rhinos are fighting. Shit. Fuck. Fuck. They're fighting.
It's a mating season.
It's mating season.
Crazy rhino. They become horny, horny.
Yeah.
And they make sounds like. Didn't sleep because of this bird, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those are those
They
freaking
have
noisy
mating also.
birds.
This is mating season for them. That's why they are communicating, singing songs.
Monkey deer.
Monkey and deer, close by.
And you know, monkey deer as a good friend.
Really?
Yeah. And then monkey.
They
see
like each
something-
other?
Yeah. Like federal family, they're wanting for the monkey food.
Interesting.
And the monkey tries to help to drop the food, and the deer eat them.
Aww. I'm not. Whoa! Shit! He said rhino. Rhino.
See the rhino there?
Way over there? Oh, I do see it. Far away.
Yeah?
So we see 5 rhinos.
Five rhino, man. Amazing.
Why? Just for fun?
Yeah, scratching and make territory.
Like a cat.
It's called marking.
Yeah.